Filter. It enables selection of elements by category, family, and type. A clear tree structure is created for intuitive filtering. Elements are counted within each category, allowing quick determination of their number in a given area. Work in large projects is accelerated. Now let us see how it works in practice. First, you must select the elements. Otherwise, the program will remind you by displaying the message we see on the screen now. Let's select the area containing the elements we intend to filter. Now, let's proceed to launch the tool. A panel appears for selecting elements by category, family, and type. It's worth noting that the filter is highly detailed, allowing for very precise selection. The parentheses contain information about the number of selected elements. Let's select the telephone devices group. Let's also select the emergency button item. As you can see, only those elements that were within the selected area are now chosen. Let's try using the filter tool in practice now. Select an area on the drawing. We launch the filter tool and select telephone devices. We launch the quick override tool using the Q keyboard shortcut. Next, we select the red color by pressing R. 18 elements were instantly colored red.